KPMG powered enterprise for HR, helping transform your business for what comes next. Gone are the days when HR can operate without technology being a value driver and a source of competitive advantage. You need leading insights, vision, teamwork, and speed to stay ahead now and in the future. Introducing KPMG Powered HR, enabled by Oracle Cloud. KPMG Powered HR accelerates HR transformation by embedding pre-built processes and KPMG's leading practices into Oracle Cloud applications. You get a tested and pragmatic business-first approach that contains the flexibility to adapt to your unique business on an accelerated path to ROI. Let's take a look at the workforce administration process and how we use KPMG's Powered HR to predefine individual processes, roles, data, controls, and leading practices that then tie directly into the Oracle Cloud HCM solution. The KPMG Powered HR predefined target operating model includes the organization's service delivery model, people and their roles, functional processes, technology, information, and governance. End-user access, segregation of duties, and tax settings are also incorporated into the functional processes. Taking a closer look at the organization's roles, KPMG Powered HR delivers predefined roles for providers, HR business partners, generalists, corporate centers of excellence, and shared service teams. The roles that we define here map directly into the Oracle Cloud HCM solution. So, when an HR manager logs into the Oracle solution, the predefined roles as defined in KPMG Powered HR will be used to perform the assigned tasks within the applicable business processes. KPMG Powered HR also delivers default service delivery models. For workforce administration, KPMG Powered HR defines the delivery organization for those roles outside of HR: the Shared Service Center, HR Business Partner Team, and the Center of Excellence. The roles under each grouping are used to define ownership and responsibilities within the pre-configured Oracle solution. This is the workforce administration process flow taxonomy, which defines 4 sub-processes: organization management, employee data management, separations, and global and domestic mobility. All 4 of these processes have their own detailed sub-processes defined as well. The promotion process, for example, has detailed swim lanes and roles that tie to our defined roles in our pre-configured Oracle Cloud HCM configuration. Each process step has defined tasks to be performed and associated controls. The task, second-level line manager reviews changes, has a control that needs to be performed within Oracle to ensure promotions are not processed without the review of job data, as well as supporting documentation that needs to be reviewed prior to the second-level manager approving the promotion. So, in the case of administering a promotion, we simply log in as the manager in the Oracle Cloud HCM solution. Employee KPMG Powered HR has demonstrated stellar performance this year, and we're going to promote this individual to a new position in the organization. The manager directly initiates this transaction, which is a leading practice, and we're going to promote this individual and assign a new job code. The train tracks across the top, which is an Oracle-delivered functionality, help the user understand where they are in the workflow. Today, we're going to promote this individual from a KPMG advisor to an assistant research lab. This can also be done on an iPad or mobile device, as well as various browsers. The last task is to review the changes that were made. As you can see, we made the change of their job from KPMG Advisor to KPMG Assistant Research Lab. Any other changes that might have occurred would show a current value and a proposed value on this page. The final step is to submit the change to our manager's manager for approval. When the manager's manager logs in, they receive a notification seeking approval for the promotion. As a standard practice in our Oracle Cloud HCM solution, the manager's manager can easily review the submission. At this point, the request can be approved, rejected, escalated, or sent back with a request for more information. In this case, the promotion request is approved. When we click Approve, it gives the current line manager the employee information as outlined in the form. Finally, the very last step is a notification to the Shared Service Center. During a Vision and Validate workshop following our KPMG-powered HR methodology, clients may want to adapt a pre-built process to their specific business requirements. Our solution builds in flexibility to document the requirement and make potential modifications to the process based on the 80-20 rule. All deviations from the pre-designed solution are discussed and are logged within our specialized Powered Execution Suite toolset. Another key feature of the target operating model is KPIs. The KPIs can enable clients to achieve continuous improvement. Leading practice KPIs often require data from multiple data sources, varying degrees of detail, and multiple visualization options. The KPE approach will begin with what the leading practice KPIs are for your organization, how they should be calculated, how they should be incorporated into your processes, including as predictive or prescriptive analytics, and how they should be visualized. Oracle's Visual Analyzer has provided the ability for KPE to include enhanced visualizations that span across Fusion applications and additional datasets. In this example, Oracle Fusion HCM and employee survey data is mashed up to allow users to explore diversity data and truly understand employee satisfaction. The bottom line? KPMG-powered HR enabled by Oracle Cloud applications can enable faster implementations and speed to value while reducing costs and risk. As an Oracle Cloud Premier Partner, KPMG has extensive experience developing solutions in the Oracle Cloud. Our teams don't just offer insights, they know how to get things done. So when it comes to the future of your business, the time to act is now. KPMG Powered Enterprise. We're on your team, all the way to the finish line and beyond.